ओम शांति।
Om Shanti.
आज
Today,
सतगुरुवार के
on
दिन
the day of Thursday,
आप सबकी याद लेके
I took everyone's remembrance,
जिससे मैं वतन में पहुंच
and as I reached the subtle region,
बाबा पहले से ही वहाँ खड़े हुए थे।
Baba was already standing in the subtle region,
दोनों बाहें पसार कर बाबा के
and with his opened arms,
आओ बच्चे,
Baba said, "Come,
लाडली
child, beloved child,
नशीन बच्ची कहा तो इतने
child of my heart throne."
कि बाबा के सामने
Baba said in this way,
बहुत से भाई
and after some time I saw there were many children who had reached Baba,
वो स्वरूप ऐसा दिखाई दे रहा था
and I could see the form in such a way
बाप के रूप में,
that the Father is in the form of a father
टीचर के रूप में भी।
and also in the form of a teacher.
एक तरफ तो इतना स्नेही रूप
One side there was the form of love,
बाबा का जैसे
and on the other side
पढ़ा
it was the form of a teacher
और ऑफिशियल रूप
that he teaches, and there was also his official form.
कि आज बाप बच्चों
And
के
then Baba said,
प्रकार के पुरुषार्थ को तो
Baba is looking at each one's effort.
लेकिन पुरुषार्थ के
Along with the effort,
बच्चे कैसे अपनी चेकिंग
children are checking themselves,
देख
and Baba was seeing that.
फिर कुछ सेकंड के बाद जैसे बाबा
And after few seconds,
के सामने ऐसे पेपर
Baba kept a paper in front of the children,
कोई एग्जाम लेना
just as
मेरे को लगा
Baba wanted to give exam,
नाम लेना चाहा।
and Baba want to take exam.
मैंने कहा कि बाप बच्चों का एग्जाम नहीं लेंगे,
Then Baba said, the father will not
समय और परिस्थितियाँ
take children's exam,
स्वतः ही
but the time and the situations themselves are
नाम भी ले
teaching the children, are taking exams of the children, and the children are also experiencing.
क्या चाहा
But today what Baba wants is,
इतना चाहा
Baba wants to see in the form of a teacher
अपनी स्वयं की चेकिंग
as how the children have their own checking.
हिसाब से जब कहा ना कि स्वयं की चेकिंग कैसे
And when it was said how there will be the checking of oneself on their own,
पेपर था,
there was very beautiful paper,
बाबा ने कहा
and then Baba said to everyone
भारत की स्व के परिवर्तन की
about self-effort,
को सम
about self-transformation,
चेकिंग
and to make
एक तो खुद का पुरुषार्थ,
perfect themselves.
परिवर्तन, तीसरा स्वयं को संपन्न बनाने का जो पुरुषार्थ कर
And these were the three efforts,
करनी है।
the checking Baba wants to see in the children.
स्कूल में टीचर सामने
Just as in the school, teacher is standing in front of the children. Children are writing the exams in the paper. In everyone's paper, there were colorful designs made.
बन रहे हैं
Some are having flowers
स्वरूप
in their test papers.
डिजाइन,
Some were having different kinds of designs in their papers.
इतनी भी मार्जिन नहीं दिखाई देती थी पेपर के अंदर,
And within the paper, no margins were available.
सारे खुश हो रहे थे और बाबा को
And everyone were becoming happy and showing Baba,
किया हमने ये
see Baba, we are making this effort, we are making this checking,
परिवर्तन
we have transformed this thing. So Baba was also smiling.
और थोड़े एक आध पेपर था जिसके अंदर इतना सा स्पेस
There was 1-2 papers in which there was a little space left,
शिव बाबा
and within that space, Shiv Baba, a point was visible.
हुआ, स्टार
A shining star was also visible.
जैसे उस स्टार को बाबा ने
Just as Baba saw that star and Baba lifted the paper in his hand,
स्टार से इतने
from that star a very beautiful lights were
स्वरूप
emerging.
ऋषि का
One is the form of
स्वरूप दिखाई दे रहा था।
becoming complete and the other was the
बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं?
future kingdom form.
बाहरी रीति से पुरुषार्थ
Baba said what children are doing is that they are making external effort.
सुंदर प्लान
They are also making beautiful plans.
खुद के पुरुषार्थ के
And within the effort of themselves,
अपने आप को अपनी ही महिमा करने
they continue to praise themselves that I have
भी हैं।
done this
उसके
and they are doing also.
बाबा ने बच्चों के लिए
Baba saw these beautiful designs of the children.
कि लास्ट का जो
Baba then said,
चेकिंग या लास्ट का जो हमारा
our last checking,
या लास्ट का जो परिवर्तन है
our last effort, our last transformation
स्वरूप
is of
और वो बिंदु
a point form.
की सारी
In that point form,
परिवर्तन
there is a complete transformation.
संपन्नता
There is
और बाप जो हमारा
the stage of perfection in it.
है उसी के द्वारा
And Baba is also the
भक्ति है। तो बाबा
form of point.
बच्चे सब कुछ पुरुषार्थ अच्छा
And Baba said children are making very good effort,
कर रहे हैं और लगन
are making lot of labor,
अपने आप को भरपूर कर
have lot of interest
ट्रांसफर करने का भी
and are
कर रहे हैं
filling themselves with everything
कि पुरुषार्थ
and are making effort to bring transformation.
होते हैं
Baba was looking at the children and was becoming happy,
पर
and in between Baba would also become merciful seeing the children, that children are making so much of effort.
बदल करके प्यार की जो बाप की जो प्राप्ति है उसमें
The attainments which is
में टिके
got from the Father,
बिंदी मेरा बाप बिंदी
the children also look at themselves
का हुआ स्टार हूँ
as a form of point.
स्टार सब शक्तियों से
I am a shining star
ऐसे स्वरूप के अंदर टिकेंगे तो
and I am filled with all treasures, and when one will see like this, then one will experience attaining perfection.
क्या
There will be transformation, and in the future
भविष्य
what status one would receive,
प्रकार से
and in the future kingdom
के आधार
on what basis of the status we would be playing
वो स्वरूप
with the world emperors and empresses will also come in front of oneself.
बाबा बच्चों को बहुत प्यार
Baba was
और
loving each one,
का ऑफिशियल रूप
and there was also the official form of the teacher.
बच्चों को बहुत स्नेह
Just as a teacher teaches the
स्वरूप भी दिखाई
students
था तो बाबा
very lovely,
टीचर
that form was also visible. Baba said teacher is also happy because children are having lot of interest in making effort
जाना है
but have to go into subtlety.
की ओर ज्यादा है
There should be no externity.
जितना ध्यान
The more one goes into subtlety and pay a lot of attention,
भाव से
then automatically
मुक्त
will be liberated from
नहीं तो
external force.
बाहर की परिस्थितियों का भी बीच बीच में
Now,
बच्चों के
in between,
विचार
children are also getting thoughts.
भी आता है
They also become influenced of the external force,
अपने
and therefore Baba said
रहकर
children have to stay in the original form and make effort.
जो परिस्थितियाँ एक भय के रूप में
And the external force which is coming in the form of a fear,
होते
even though it is there,
सफलता के रूप में बच्चों को विजय के रूप में
children will experience it in the
विजय
form of
वो अनुभव
becoming victory
बाबा को
or victorious.
स्वीकार कराया
I
बाबा ने सबको बहुत
fed
प्यार
bhog to
से
Baba.
याद
Baba
किया
gave
और बाबा कहते
love
थे
to everyone.
बच्चे बहुत
Baba
मेहनत
said,
और पुरुषारत भी कर
children are
रहे
making
हैं,
a lot of
वो तो
effort,
बाप देख ही
and the
रहे
father
हैं।
is seeing
फिर
that.
बाबा ने सबको
And then
बहुत से याद
Baba gave lot of love and remembrance. Acha, Om Shanti.
बाबा के पास वतन में भोग लेकर के पहुंचे।
I reached the Cyril world to offer bhog to
बाबा
Baba.
को सभी भाई बहनों की स्नेह भरी याद, सदगुरु वार की भी
I gave the heartfelt love and remembrance of all the brothers and sisters, and also gave love and remembrance of Thursday to Baba.
आया।
And while giving the remembrance,
दुनिया में हर एक आत्माएं
Baba showed me
किसी न किसी प्रकार से,
that in the world,
किसी न किसी रीति से
some souls,
अपनी मंजिल को पाने के
in some or the other way, in order to attain their destination, what they are now doing.
राजनीति का कार्य कर रहा है,
Some are doing the work of politics, some are doing the
सरकार की।
work of religions.
बाबा ने कहा दुनिया के लोग
Baba said in this way that the worldly people are
बनाने,
engaged in themselves.
तो बाबा ने कहा कि जितने भी दुनिया में अनेक आत्माएं हैं,
There are many souls in the world
प्रचार अपनी अपनी लगन में तो लगे हैं,
and they are all engaged in their own
सभी का
interests,
सभी का लक्ष्य
and everyone's aim
से बंधा हुआ है।
is
बाबा ने कहा कि
joint in many forms.
इस समय
And Baba said at the confluence age, those who have belonged to Baba, those who are Baba's children,
बच्चों का एक ही लक्ष्य है,
those children have only one aim, one destination.
बाबा के बच्चों को अपनी मंजिल देवताई रूप में,
And all Baba's children
रूप में,
want to
रूप की प्राप्ति स्वरूप में
become the embodiment of the attainments of a deity form.
सभी ब्राह्मण बच्चों का एक ही लक्ष्य दिखाई देता है।
So Baba said at this time,
कहा कि
all Brahmin children are having only one aim, and that is visible.
कद छोटा होता है,
Even in the
माँ
world,
बाप को भी चिंता होती है, उसको खुद को भी चिंता होती है, इसको कैसे लंबा बड़ा किया जाए।
if there are any
पढ़ाई में कमजोर होता है
short people, then their parents will be worried about how to increase their growth.
थोड़ा फिकर ख्याल चलता है।
The parents will have
बाबा ने कहा
some sorts of worry as how to increase their growth,
कि पढ़ाई है,
and therefore Baba too
बाबा ने कहा हर एक
thinks that this is the study to attain perfection,
का कर्तव्य करके ऊंच बनना है।
and Baba wants all his children to make
इस संगम
effort and become elevated.
है बहुत न्याय
The study of this confluence age is very unique,
वैसे
different from other studies.
हम सभी के विरुद्ध सुनाया।
Baba spoke a little message.
आत्माओं की भी विशेष याद दी।
I also gave a love and remembrance of many other souls.
बाबा के बच्चों की
Baba said,
याद की सीमा
children's remembrance
रफ्तार कहें
according to the time
बढ़ती जाती है, और बाबा भी देखते हैं
has its own speed,
सभी बच्चे अपनी अपनी रफ्तार के अनुसार,
and all children,
याद के अनुसार
according to their speed, according to their effort,
सेवा में मददगार है।
are helpful in Baba's service.
जिन भी आत्मा के प्रति भोग था,
Whoever had bhog,
मर्ज करते भगवान का भोग स्वीकार कराया।
Baba emerged them
के बाद तो
and fed them bhog of Madhuban,
ऐसे कहते
and after that Baba merged them.
बहुत बहुत स्नेह भरी याद प्यार दी।
I gave heartfelt love and remembrance to Baba, and I took Baba's love and remembrance and came down. Om Shanti.